Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add payment method on Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to add a payment method on Google Play Store, first open up your Google Play Store app on your phone, and after opening your Google Play Store app on your phone guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the payments and subscriptions option available for us. Just below the notifications and offers, tap on payments and subscriptions, and over here you can see the payment methods option available for us. Tap on the payment methods at the top of the screen, and then you can land on, and then you'll be landed on this interface where you can see guys, either you can add a debit or credit card, or you can tap on the more payment settings to add a payment on Google Play Store. And after we tapped on it, this kind of interface will appear where if you tap on the add a payment method, you'll be able to add your cards from over here, including the American Express, Discover, JCB, MasterCard and Visa. And with that being said guys, let's close this and let's go back over here. In order to add a debit or credit card as a payment method, tap on the add a credit or debit card and enter your details over here, and after that tap on the save button, and on the next step go to some verifications of your card, and then your payment method will be added on your Google Play Store account. And the guys, this is how to add payment method on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.